Everyone, my name is Chris Green. If you're looking to get a blurry background in a talking head video just like this, and you need your camera to be somewhat pretty close to yourself, well, in this video, I want to tell you exactly how to get that. And I want to show you what the difference is between this kit lens, which is most of the ones that come with your DSLR cameras, the kit lens, and the Viltrox 15mm. Let's get started. Currently, you're watching the kit lens, which is actually on my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. I will do a quick comparison for you to be able to see the difference you can get with the blurry background. So the kit lens from Sony is a 16 to 50 millimeter, and the lowest aperture setting you can get is 3.5. So if you don't know what the aperture stuff means, basically at 3.5, this is the blurriest background that you're going to get. Now the Viltrox 15mm Sony E-mount lens, this can have an aperture setting of, I believe it's 1.7. So what you'll be able to see, I'm going to take this kit lens that's on the lowest aperture setting the kit lens can do, and let's put on the Viltrox camera lens, and let's set its aperture to the lowest it can, and you'll see how much more blurry the background can actually be. Okay, so now what you're seeing is actually the Viltrox 15mm on my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Tried to keep the camera in the exact same position. So tape measure wise, I'll break this out. We're right at about 30 inches away from the camera. So if you are in a seated position and you're in like a home office setting or small bedroom space, if you need your camera to be 30 inches or less from your face, this would be a great choice for you to go with. I do a lot of talking head videos like this, but as you can see, the background is significantly more blurry than it was with the kit lens, and that's because of the aperture setting. So your f-stop, if you're going to use the blurry background, you want that f-stop number to be low. You want it to be like 1.7, 1.8 or so. And then if you're using the kit lens, if you're stuck on the kit lens, the lowest aperture setting you can get is 3.5. So let's just go back and forth here so you can see a comparison again between the kit lens, and now here is the Viltrox lens. So a little bit of a blurry background. The more blurry the background is, it does look more like a green screen. So what's great about the Viltrox lens and most lenses out there is that you can actually raise the aperture number to find the appropriate setting for you. So with this Viltrox lens, when I'm doing a talking head video, instead of setting it to 1.7 or 1.8, I might set it to 2.2 or so. That gives a little bit of sharpness in the background so you can tell that I'm not in a green screen environment. These are very real drums and cymbals behind me. This is a real computer desk behind me. So there you have it. This is the benefit of having a lower aperture setting with something like the Viltrox 15mm. Been very pleased with this lens, and I definitely have been using it as my main camera lens for talking head videos just like this. Thanks for watching the video. If you're interested in picking up the Viltrox lens, the 15mm for your Sony E-mount camera, I will have a link in the description below. Goes a great long way to support the channel, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.